If you're wondering how to create voice watermarks like Kami, Slax, Zann, etc., then this video is for you, because in this video, I will show you how to create voice watermarks and font style similar to those of these famous TikTokers. So now, without further ado, let's get to our first guy.
A-A-M-I Kami!
Perfect.
A-A-M-I Kami! B-A-N-I
Bankai!
A-P-O-M-I
As you may have heard, Bankai and Atomic use voices similar to Kami, but when reading Bankai, it will be this guy's voice.
Bankai!
Switch! As for the Atomic voice, it will sound similar to Slax. So let's now learn how to create the Slax voice.
S-L-A-X.
Slax!
Atomic.
And this is the sound Slax.
I want blue jeans. Forget it.
Slax!
Ezyy, not again. Ezyy, not again. Ezyy, not again.
Perfect.
Sometimes you might encounter download errors. In that case, go to Settings, then History, and copy the download link to be able to download it. And do the same for the remaining letters. After I've chosen my preferred voice, let's go to CapCut to do the next step. That was a tutorial on voice watermarks, and now I'll show you how to create fonts that look like theirs. Kami, Bankai, and Atomic all use the same font. To get a font similar to theirs, you can visit the Dafont website. Since this font isn't free, I can't download it to demonstrate, but I'll use a different font as an example. And that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments whose voice watermark you liked best. Now, goodbye and see you in the next video.